Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox and opening the avatar editor immediately, no waiting. Once logged in, click Avatar to load your character, then choose Body Upper Torso or Torso slot. Make sure you have the torso asset ready, either a uploaded shirt template, a catalog item, or a folder in Studio. If using Studio, open Explorer and Asset Manager. These steps get you into edit mode fast, so you can replace the torso without unnecessary steps. Now you replace the torso. Choose the correct slot. R15 rigs use upper torso, R6 uses torso. Once selected, click Choose or Replace and pick your uploaded asset or a catalog item. If you're in Studio, drag the mesh or accessory onto the character model and use Position/Rotation tools to align. Make sure attachments match. Neck and shoulders should align so animations play correctly. Once aligned, test with a basic animation. To finish, save the outfit and enter play or test to verify the torso behaves with animations. If you see clipping or misalignment, open the model in Studio and tweak position, scale, and orientation values until seams look natural. Make sure attachment names, neck attachment, right shoulder attachment match Roblox standards. Mismatches break animations. If issues persist, re-export the mesh with unified origin and re-import, then retest. One key tip: check rig type first. R6 version.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.